Hi guys, Home Appliances Advisor presents what is Andon and its benefits in lean manufacturing. Andon in lean manufacturing is a system designed to alert operators and managers of problems in real time so that corrective measures can be taken immediately. How to use Andon in lean manufacturing? The only way Andon works is if you truly empower operators to use it. This means giving operators not only the permission, but the obligation to stop the line when issues arise. Benefits of Andon in lean manufacturing. Using the Andon system in lean manufacturing will yield many benefits both in the short and long term. In the short term, it provides visibility and transparency in the production process, increased productivity and efficiency, decreased waste. Long-term benefits include reduced costs and downtime, enhanced value to the customer because of better quality products, responsible operators who are accountable for the line running as efficiently and effectively as possible, empowering them to act when problems arise, rather than waiting for management. Long-term improvements to production process. Like most principles in lean manufacturing, the Andon code itself doesn't add value. Likewise, if action isn't taken immediately when the system is alerted, it defeats the purpose and can actually detract from the value you are targeting. Thank you for watching video. Please like, subscribe, comments and share. Prepared by Mohan Chandra Papane.